Hey everybody, so my name is Brian Melanson and I'm doing my midpoint check-in. So I am in the field placement that I'm in is at an agency supporting people who have intellectual and developmental disabilities across the lifespan. Group homes, all the way from group homes to support for toddlers. So there's a huge breadth of services. The thing I've enjoyed the most about the field experience, first is clients, and the second is learning the inner workings of the agency. So I work at one of the programs for the agency professionally, and so I've now gained like a much better understanding of how things go behind the scenes, which gives me a lot of useful information about how to make change towards my ultimate goal, which is helping support people's relationships, the people that we serve. And sexual health is another focus for me. So learning how the agency works and how documentation works and how services are delivered behind the scenes I'm starting to really understand how those pieces can become more fully realized for our participants, if that makes sense. So I've enjoyed that. The challenge that I've faced in the field experience, the first one is time management. I knew it would be a challenge going in. I was right. I did a really good job, but it was challenging. And the other one is endings. I found termination to be tricky. I don't think I thought about it enough at the beginning. And this time around, I'm going to structure that a little bit better. I certainly thought about it along the way and did the best that I could, and I think it was okay for folks, but I just felt like it was something a place where I could really do better to really make that moment meaningful and prepare people better and really get it, kind of tied up with a bow at the end. The thing that I've learned about myself through this experience, I think, is in the last class that I taught, or for the group that I facilitated, one of the women that was in the program disclosed a sexual assault that had happened to her 10 years ago, and she had never told anyone about it before. So, like, I was the first person who had heard this from her, and I haven't had an experience like that before. People have disclosed to me, but I've always been, second or third person to hear it, and there's always been other supports in place. And in that experience, I think I learned about myself that, like, it really, like, for me, it was like, oh, this is why this matters. Like, I learned that I want to be here, and, I want to give people that opportunity in that space. So I think I don't know, I learned about myself or strengthened something I knew about myself, which was that, like, this kind of work is for me, and that there's value to it, and that I can do it, I guess. So yeah, that's it. I went a little over. Thanks for watching it. I apologize for the delay. So I'll see everybody out there. Bye.